Sup, y'all? It's Alex has it on. I'm back. What is that? With another video, and this is when you have to call during a test. Pretty sure all of us can relate. Let's go. Are you okay? Sound like you about to die over there. I'm okay. I'm sorry. Okay, I think it's gone. Okay, I'm back. Excuse me. Can I get some water? That I'm about to die.